If you're in your late 20s or 30s, you probably grew up watching Pokemon Anime Adventure series on TV. If you're in your 20s or younger, you probably recognize Pokemon from the games on your phone. This mod pack brings Pokemon characters and features to Minecraft as we know it. In this tutorial, we are going to find out how to install it on a server, check out some of the best Pixelmon server hosting providers, answer your most asked technical questions, and even give you tips on how to play. You can find links to all the mod packs, launchers, software, and services we talk about in the description. I also divided the video into sections. Feel free to jump into any part using the timestamps in the description. So, without further ado, let's get started. After selecting your Pokemon character and when you first load your Pixelmon world, it'll look very similar to a vanilla Minecraft world apart from new structures and mobs. So we recommend getting your hands on as many resources as possible. Punch some trees and collect some berries. Each new item you collect will unlock a new recipe, which you can later use to build new things. When you have enough resources to eat and protect yourself, your next task should be finding a Pokemon. There are quite a lot of Pokemons scattered across the world. Metapod will be one of the easiest to find. When you encounter one, look at the Pokemon and press R on your keyboard to throw your Pokeball. It'll immediately start a duel between the wild Pokemon and the Pokemon character you selected at the beginning of the world. They'll battle it out, and if your Pokemon wins the battle, you'll both gain experience, and a defeated mob will be added to your list of Pokemons. You should continuously fight your Pokemons to level them up and gain more experience because you'll be encountering more challenging mobs as you progress through the game. Don't forget to pick up valuable items that defeated Pokemons drop. There are two ways to host your Pixelmon server. You could use a managed server hosting provider like GameTeam or Apex Hosting, or run your own Pixelmon server. In this section, we'll show you how to host your Pixelmon server on GameTeam. Please follow our dedicated Pixelmon server hosting tutorial if you wish to set it up on your own hardware. 1. Pick a service provider such as GameTeam, Apex Hosting, or Hostinger. We'll demonstrate the process on GameTeam, but any other provider will do just fine. You could use the 9to5 software coupon code on GameTeam for an additional 25% off. 2. Navigate to the mod pack section in the menu. 3. You can browse through thousands of popular or brand new mod packs in this section, offered by various launchers such as Curse, Technic, or Feed the Beast. 4. On GameTeam, mod packs are ranked by their popularity. Since Pixelmon has over 6 million downloads, it's the third most popular mod pack on CurseForge. 5. Select the version from the version selector and click on Install. Installation process will take a few minutes since GameTeam's installer has to download and unpack a few hundred mods. When it's done, the page will be refreshed automatically. A Pixelmon server needs around 2 gigs of RAM. It is recommended that you have at least 4 gigs of RAM for running a Pixelmon server smoothly. Of course, it also depends on many other factors, such as other heavy mods that you might install, like Optifine, how many people will be playing on the server, or even chunk loading distance. Pixelmon was first created and launched as a mod you could install. After it got prominent among Minecraft players, developers turned it into a mod pack of its own, and it became widely successful with well over 6 million downloads and an active fan base. Pixelmon Mod and Mod Pack are both completely free additions to your Minecraft. You can download them from its official CurseForge page. The answer is maybe, but it won't be reliable or even guaranteed to work. You'll most likely run into Mod Pack compatibility issues. We don't recommend installing cracked Minecraft on any PC due to security reasons. There's also a big risk of installing malware-infected versions. Did you know there is a few versions of Pixelmons you could install? The answer will change based on which one you want to install. If you want to install the Pixelmon mod pack, we recommend using Curse Launcher. If you just need the mod, you should download the mod from this link. Then move the downloaded files to your Minecraft mods folder. Make sure to download the correct version or it won't work. Pixelmon Mod was shut down back in 2017 after a request from the Pokemon parent company Nintendo. However, the mod pack is active and continuously updated to date. The main difference between Pixelmon Modpack and Pixelmon Reforged is the mod packs they have. Most Minecrafters consider Pixelmon Reforged a better version since it brings a few other in-demand mods, such as Biomes O' Plenty. Yes, Pixelmon Mod does work with shaders as long as you install Forge version 1.7 or lower.